Hello everyone, let's take a look at the new version 2.5 beta 4. And what is new is these new mini displays up here in the devices, where we get a better overview now of what is happening inside the devices. So if we change something here, we can see that the device up here is updating accordingly. And what is also new is that previously the devices were expanded all the time, or we could collapse them to a certain degree. But now we have two stages of collapsing. So if we click once, we now have these mini views, which save up a lot of space, but still give us the information and all the options we need. And if that is not enough, we don't want to see them at all, we can also click a second time and then they disappear completely. And then what is also new is this reverb device. So this is a snare. And if we want to add a tail, previously we had to do that in the DAW. But now with the reverb device, we can do that inside KickDrum. So I turn it on, and now it sounds like this. And without like this. And that's much better. The reverberation is in full frequency. So if you want to dampen it or cut low frequencies, you would do that through a child equalizer you put as a sub device into the reverb, and you can also add a pitch there or whatever device you would like to shape the reverberation. And another cool feature about the reverb I'd like to show you with a rumble kick. So we have this rumble kick. And it's a very simple setup. It's basically just this sine wave together with a click. And then inside the sine wave chain, there's a reverb added. And the reverb is shifted back in time, because KickDrum is able to calculate all the audio at once when we do changes. We have the ability to look into the future, and therefore we can take the reverberation and move it forward in time or back in time, depending on from where we watch. So we can not only move it further away from the sound it's reflecting, we can shift it under the sound it's reflecting. We can even put it further than where the reflection was calculated from. And I'm not a techno producer, but I heard that you guys, to get this rumble, oftentimes, or one technique is to take a reverb behind the kick and then feed back the reflection back into the track under the kick to get this rumble effect. And we can do this now with this negative pre-delay, which is the same result. We just shift the reflection back in time, which is handier to set up in this way, and I think faster. So we can do stuff like this now very quickly, and I think it sounds quite good. This is KickDrum Beta 4. I'm really looking forward to bring this out of beta stage, and there's another device coming which is going to be a tool for certain handy things, and some little more optimizations but not too much stuff. And the last update I gave you was at beta 1. We're now at beta 4. I skipped beta 2 and 3 because there were some little things in there that weren't quite right yet. Now it's beta 4 that should be all settled. I'm pretty confident in that. And yeah, thank you for watching. Looking forward to your feedback, and have a nice day. Bye.